How overcome fear to English? Yes, guys, I want to say you how overcome fear of English. English will have to become a friend. Okay, so question is how can it become a friend? So, guys, hello, how are you? I hope you are doing well. I am also great. Welcome to my our channel again. As you know, my YouTube channel name कौन बनेगा English का सिकंदर. So guys, I want to explain you how overcome fear of English. So guys, English will have to become a friend. Your your question would be how make English friend? How make English to friend? So I would say that again, guys, you have to think in English. Okay, always. You have to think English always. You have to read. You have to write English always. You have to speak English. Those things is the most important if you want overcome fear of English. So you have to read English, you have to write English, you have to speak English, you have to think as well as English. So guys, then your English 100%, your English fear will be removed automatically. You should learn speak English like a language. Listen my point. Please listen my point. You should learn speak English like a language. Neither subject nor mountain. Okay. Neither subject nor mountain like that. You talk every day wisely. You should watch video every day carefully. You should talk every day clear and correct. Then automatically overcome fear of English. But without thinking, without writing, without speaking, how can overcome my fear in English of English? So guys, no need to fear. English is not like that mountain. English only one subject. If you talk every day, if you think every day in English, you can learn fluency, you can talk fluency, you can learn easily. You can talk like that spontaneously. Okay, but you have to think in English. You have to talk in English wisely. You have to spend time minimum 30 minutes every day. You should watch video always in English content. You should you should read paper on always English paper. You should talk always in English. If you make a friend English, automatically you will be able to talk one day. You have to spend time. without spend time, without practice, without write, without read, you can't learn, sir. You have to give time. No need to worry. No need to worry about English. You can learn easily. You can talk easily in English. Automatically your fear will go. Automatically. No need to worry about that for fear. No need to worry about that. Okay. So guys, if you want to learn speak English, you must watch my video every day because I upload every day basic. I I want to explain you basic knowledge. I'm not able to talk in English, guys, but I try every day. I want to give example. I haven't any knowledge. I haven't good education. I am not younger. Even then, I try to my best every day. I want to move forward every day. So suppose that you are younger, why not you can try for a skill? I don't want famous, I don't want popular, I don't want money because already I have a good business. I am businessman, but I haven't education. That's why I try to talk every day, new topic. But because I haven't a good knowledge, lack of knowledge, I talk only some topic. Okay, but I hope one day I will be able to talk fluency. I will able to talk confidently. I will be able to talk correctly, perfectly, but it will take time. I know. If you want to learn anything between 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, it is not possible because it is your second language. It is not your mother tongue. Okay. So as you know, English is Sat Samundar Tappu Par language. Okay. That's why you have to keep time. Minimum 6 months. If you spend 6 months, 100% after 6 months, you can just sell. 100% after 6 months, you will be able to talk. Okay. But no need to worry.